So customer called us, they've used our product, Super Silicone Seal, and they did the seam here. You can see they sanded it down to the metal, and they applied the fleece and Super Silicone Seal, and it's already a year long and it's been holding up very good. But they still have a leak, and so they asked us to come and look at it. So here's the problem. See this area here? The water would still get in there, that area there, right there underneath there. So what we need to do is, this is how we solve the problem. I'm going to cut this metal seam just up a little bit, up to there, so I can see that there. So all the water was running underneath this seam, underneath there, continuing, and that is the problem. And I take this out like that. I take a grinder, clean it up. I take lacquer thinners with a rag. Look how nice and clean that is. See that? So I take a small fleece and I'm going to cover that area. Right there. And just a piece of fleece over that, just like that. See that? Cover that metal there, and put a coat of super silicone over that, and this will not leak anymore. That is how you fix that leak, and that's it. Super Silicone Seal. It's unbelievable, it's flexible, it sticks to metal, sticks to EPDM rubber, sticks to glass. Nothing better than that. Thank you for watching.